AccuWeather forecast with Chief Meteorologist Keith Gibson.
Still warm on our Thursday. Let's check out your forecast for Columbus, Starkville, West Point, and Tupelo. Low 90s across the board. Partly cloudy, probably some of that smoky haze out there and a bit of a breeze. We've been in this rainfall donut hole. This is the radar estimate, but a pretty big donut hole over the last 7 days, really for a good chunk of September so far. But we have an opportunity for a little bit of rain as we get into late week, but more so into the weekend and early next week. We're going to keep rain out of the forecast tomorrow. Can't rule out a little bit in the region Friday, but a better chance as we get into your weekend and early next week. Right now, high and dry in Tupelo, 87 degrees. Our Alpha Insurance Camera Network in Louisville, Mississippi, 90. The setting sun, some of that smoky haze on the western horizon. Vernon at Durham's 89 degrees, a pretty warm day, a few friendly clouds out there. And also in Columbus, also in the upper 80s right now. That breeze kicking things up just a little bit, some of that haze, but we'll cool down into the 70s after the sun sets. Now, this is where the smoke is across the country. It goes from west to east, and really just about every part of the country has seen some smoke over the last few days. Very thick out here in California, Oregon, and Washington. The wind blowing the smoke out to sea at this point. So that's Pacific Ocean, very thick, very dense. And we still have some smoke trapped down here locally, hence the haze we have now. And we will likely see some of that in the region for tomorrow morning and the afternoon. So a lot of sun here on our day Thursday. We start out around 70, but there will be some haze around. Again, highs back into the low 90s across the board. So it should be pretty decent overall, very similar to what we've had out there today. The wind from the northeast at about 5 to 10. A few friendly clouds, some haze, another warm and relatively dry day across North Mississippi and West Alabama. A better chance for a few isolated showers just off to our southeast tomorrow. Again, can't rule it out, but I don't really think we're going to have a lot to contend with. Friday, basically dry too. Higher odds for showers and storms just to our south, but some of those could sneak on in. In general, high school football should be okay as we get into your Friday evening. Now, your weekend, Saturday afternoon right here, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, there's this frontal boundary that will be coming on in from the northwest that will basically just ease its way through the region, and that will team up with a little bit of moisture that will be coming on in here and give us an opportunity for a little bit of rain. Tropical weather, well, we're going to bypass that for now. No systems that will be impacting the United States. There's still Paulette and Renee way out in the Atlantic. We don't have to worry about that right now. All right, here's your AccuWeather 7-day forecast. So some low 90s for the next couple of days. Higher odds of rain by the weekend into next week, but still pretty warm for the next 7 days. Lows around 70.